All right, so first of all, let's discuss how to convert the units. So before starting or before talking about the units of area, can you tell me, Zainab, how can we convert
Ma'am,
units of length? Like if I want to convert centimeter into meter, so how to do it?
we centimeter into meter we will
Hmm.
divide
We will divide by
100,000.
only 100 because
100. Yes, ma'am.
centi is coming from the word cent. So
Yes,
$1 is having 100 cents,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
So this is for 100. So 100 divided by 100. And if we are going from meter to centimeter,
Multiply with 100.
then we will multiply by 100, right? This was what we have done in the previous classes, in maybe 5 class when you were doing length. So this
Yes,
time
ma'am.
we are converting units of area, and instead of centimeter, this is centimeter square and this is meter square. So now this time, if we are converting centimeter square to meter square, we will divide by 100 two times. Why?
100 two times.
Why two times? Because there is a 2 here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it was a single value here. It was only centimeter to meter. So then we divided by 100 one time. But when it is centimeter square to meter square, so then we will divide by 100 two
Yes, ma'am.
times. Or
Yes,
in short, we can say divide by 10,000. 200,
ma'am.
200s make 10,000, right?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting this?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So while going from centimeter square to meter square, we will divide by
Uh,
10,000. Okay?
10,000.
We will
Yes,
divide by 10,000. And when we will go from meter square to centimeter square,
ma'am.
then we will
Multiply
multiply it with
10,000.
10,000, right? So when in
Yes,
the second term, probably you will do volume. So you will see a conversion of centimeter cube to meter cube. So because there is
so
cube in volume, so then
three
you will do
times.
what? Three
Three
times you will
times.
divide. So you will divide with actually 1 million, because 3
Billion.
times 100 means 6
To
zeros,
1
right? So
million.
are you getting this concept? Like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
power is basically so multiplied with also with a million.
Centimeter. Centimeter 4 we will divide by 100 times
That's
4 times.
right. That's right. So if there is anything which is having 4 dimensions, so then its unit would be in power of 4, and that uh, will do. Okay. So this is centimeter 1 power, and this is converting by dividing it only once. So this is the concept we will be using right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with the worksheet question. Probably the first question would be conversion. Oh, there is no conversion. No question of conversion in this. So let's see the second worksheet probably. Oh, so here they are, right? So
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
more units also, not only centimeter, there is millimeter also. So we can
Yes,
discuss millimeter also here. So what do you think? Millimeter comes before
before
centimeter or after centimeter?
like
Like is
before
millimeter
centimeter,
bigger?
smaller than
It's
centimeter.
smaller. So it means it will come here, millimeter, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is millimeter square, and this is the only millimeter. So can you tell me, if we are converting from millimeter to centimeter, then we need to do what?
Ma'am, we have to from millimeter to centimeter.
Hmm.
We have to divide by a
Divide by?
hundred
No. In 1 centimeter on your scale, how many millimeters are there?
thousand. No, thousand. No,
No, no,
ten.
no, no. 10, right? So in centimeter on your scale, have you seen your scale? If it is
Yes, ma'am.
0 and 1, so there are 10 small lines in the middle. That is 1
Okay,
millimeter, right? So it
okay,
is
ma'am.
10. And if we go from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply with 10.
10.
This milli, all the word milli means thousand, but this is milli in meter. Like अगर आप मीटर से डायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट करें ना मिलीमीटर में, so then
Mm.
you need to divide by thousand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Milli is for hundred, thousand, sorry. लेकिन this is milli of meter, like the thousand part of a meter, not centimeter. ठीक है? So
Mm.
now let's see this. If it is millimeter square, so then we will do what?
Ma'am, we
Then we
will
will
divide by 100.
divide by 100. Very good. Because the 2 times 10 is 100. And if we convert centimeter square to
Multiply
millimeter square, we will multiply by 100.
100.
Right? So this is the conversion we need to keep in mind. So now let's come back. So before solving this question, let me draw that map here. Okay, so we can refer to that map. If this question comes in the paper, so you can draw this web, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Centimeter square and meter square. So if we go in this direction,
You have to divide
divide by
10.
100,
Yes, 100,
because
100.
and
Centimeter
if you
square,
go from, so it would be
10,000. 10,000.
10,000, right? So now in the opposite direction, it will be multiplied with 10,000
10,000
and
and
multiplied with,
multiply with 100.
right? So we will use this web to solve the question. So now let's look at this. 5 centimeter square converted into millimeter square.
500
So
million.
5 multiplied with
100.
centimeter to 10 centimeter to millimeter multiplied with
100.
100. So what would be the answer?
500.
500 millimeter square, right? So now 50,000 centimeters to millimeters. So 50,000.
5
So centimeter to meter.
meter.
So we will do what?
Division.
We will divide by
10,000.
10,000. So these four zeros will be
Cut.
cancelled. That's
Cancel.
right. So answer will be
5.
5 meters square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then 850 millimeter square to centimeter square. So 850 millimeter to centimeter. What should we do?
0.850.
That's right. Divided by 100 hoga. And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
would be 0 point.
850. Ma'am, I just moved the decimal point back. How
That's
many
right.
zeros?
So there was a decimal. So 2,
No,
hmm?
8.50. 8.50.
8.5 it would be.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 8.5.
So that's right. 850 divided by, uh, so this would
100. So
be 8.5.
8.50.
So 90 millimeter square to, तो ये क्या होगा?
Centimeter, ma'am. It's
90,
okay. Centimeter.
hmm,
Millimeter into divide.
ये
So we have
कितना है?
900. Divide
90 divided by
100.
100. So where the decimal would be?
0.
0.9,
0.90.
right?
Yes.
So 0.08 meter square to centimeter. Meter square to centimeter square.
So we have to
0.08
multiply
multiplied with
10,000.
10,000. So what would be the answer?
3, 4,
Shift the
800.
decimal. Very good, 800. Excellent. So then 1.75 to centimeter.
1
1.75
5
multiplied with 10,000.
1 2 175 point 175,000
With how many zero?
2.
2 zeros. So it is basically 17,500, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now, are we clear? Do we need to solve more questions from the book also? We should solve more
No,
questions.
ma'am.
Or we can just learn the formulas and we will solve the book questions together, okay? So
Sure, ma'am.
now, let's get back to the discussion part. We need to uh, discuss the formulas. So first of all, let's see, okay, what are the different shapes we need to use. So we need to learn the formulas of rectangle, square, parallelogram, triangle, and trapezium. So let's start with areas of the formulas first. So starting from square. So can you tell me, Zainab, what is the area of square?
Ma'am, we add all the four sides.
No, no, not perimeter, area. Perimeter, so I
Area
know, okay, you know.
multiply. Ma'am, we multiply
So
length
what will be the
and
area? Length
length
multiply by,
multiply length.
that's right. So if the second shape is a rectangle, so what is the area of rectangle? If this is a rectangle
Ma'am, length
and
multiply
this is
by breadth.
breadth, length multiply by breadth, so
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be L into B.
B.
So then what is the area of parallelogram?
Ma'am, base multiply by height.
Very right. So this is the parallelogram and base multiplied with
Height.
the height. And what is the relation between base and height?
Ma'am, the 90-degree angle.
Very good. So we will be looking for the 90-degree angle. So base can be inside of the shape like this, or it can be outside of the shape like this also.
Ma'am,
Okay?
and
See,
base can only we can also the base should be the part of the triangle always. It
triangle, or sorry,
no
parallelogram.
parallelogram. It is should be always the part of the parallelogram.
That's right. So then next is the area of triangle. So what is the area of a triangle?
Uh, Ma'am, length multiplied by height divided by two.
That's right, 1 by 2 BH. So actually in parallelogram there are two triangles. So that's why it is like this. For example, if I'm dividing this parallelogram in two equal parts, can you see like this? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is one triangle and this is the second triangle. So that's why it is said K, whatever is the area of parallelogram, that is BH. So if we divide this with 2, then we will get area of the triangle, right? That's why the formula is like this, 1 by 2
Yes,
BH. So this is the area of parallelogram and we are dividing it with 2 to make it half, right?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
also when
so
we split a square into two,
Mhm.
when we split a square into two parts, we get a triangle.
We get a triangle, but this is a 90-degree triangle. So,
Yes, ma'am.
not this maybe, but we are linking it with a parallelogram, not even with rectangle. Although rectangle ko half करें, then even you get a triangle. But this formula is linked with parallelogram because if you look closely now, so in square and rectangle, we don't talk about height.
Yes,
We don't
ma'am.
talk about height. These are the sides of square and these are the sides of rectangle. But in parallelogram and triangle and definitely in um, what was the
Trapezium.
next shape? Trapezium. In trapezium.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That's right. In trapezium. So we talk about height,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So that's why we are saying in a parallelogram there are two triangles, not in square and rectangle. Although they in square also there are two triangles, but this concept is not having h inside. So in triangle, in parallelogram, in trapezium, we talk about height and base, right? So what is trapezium? So trapezium is, a very flexible
Ma'am,
shape. This kind of shape, just two parallel lines, is the
yes, ma'am.
only property of trapezium. So in this, what is the formula of area? Can you recall?
Ma'am, height divided by two multiply the sum of parallel sides.
Very good. Or you can say 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 or multiplied by h. So I'm putting h here ताकि आपको याद रहे. ठीक है. So here this edge can be sometimes the side of the parallelogram or trapezium, and sometimes it would be a separate line like this, right? This can
Yes, ma'am.
also be the height, or sometimes if the trapezium is like this,
Yes, ma'am. Then we have a 90-degree.
so then this side will become height,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So same is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
case in triangles also. So in triangles, let me change the color so that you can see in this, there are three types of triangles. So sometimes in a triangle, if it is a triangle like this, so then height would be like
The
this.
yes,
Height
ma'am.
is inside the triangle, and this is the base. So sometimes in triangle, like for example in scalene triangles, uh, let me draw it differently. Uh, like like in this kind of triangle, can you see? So the height will be outside the triangle,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
This is
Yes.
height and this is base. So, and the third type is when it is a right angle triangle, then height will become
The
a
right
side of
angle.
the triangle, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there are in case of triangles, there are three different types of triangles. One is when height and base, when base is definitely a side and height is inside a triangle.
Right.
Second case is when height is outside the triangle, right? And third case is when height and base, the both are the two sides of the triangles, right? Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And what is the perimeter?
Of shape
Perimeter is sum of
of the sum of all the sides.
sum of all outer sides. Sum of outer sides. Like if there is a line like
Yes.
this green line, so this green line will not come in the perimeter. Why? Because it is not the outer side, it is
No.
inside the shape.
Yes.
So height is basically the sum of all the outer
Outer
sides.
outer
Okay?
sides.
Okay? If any
Yes.
side is inside it, so that will not be counted as a perimeter. Are we
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So now let's start this second worksheet, first worksheet, and then we will, come back to the second question later on. So we will start with this question. Find out the area and perimeter of each of the following rectangles. So what about this one? First one. What kind of shape? What is the shape?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle.
Now the
And
area
we,
is 63 centimeter square.
sorry,
The area is 63 centimeter square.
that's right. Area would be, you should do it properly. Area is equal to length into breadth. And then you will put the values 9 into 7,
Equals
which is
63 centimeter square.
very good, centimeter square. And what about the perimeter? What's the perimeter for rectangle? 2L
Ma'am,
plus
L plus 2B.
2B. So 2L is basically 2 into 9 plus 2 into 7, or
2. Ma'am,
18 plus
30.
40. How much? 32
30.
centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's see, what about the second shape? What is this shape?
Ma'am, rectangle.
A rectangle again. So what would be area? Length
Length
into
multiplied.
breadth. And what
Yes.
will that be? 7 into 11.
11
So
equals 77 feet.
feet
Foot.
square.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So
22.
now the perimeter.
36
You can do
centimeter.
it manually also. This is 11. This is 7. So you can write down like this also, 11 plus 11 plus 7
Plus
plus 7.
7 plus
So the total would be 22
36.
plus 14,
36.
36 feet,
6.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
now we will come to the third shape. Which shape is this?
Trapezium.
This is a trapezium, right? Very good. So this is a trapezium. So what should we do about it? Area कैसे निकलेगा?
Ma'am, height divided by 2.
Height divided by 2. into.
Sum and multiply sum of the parallel sides.
Very good. Sum of the parallel sides. So what is height?
10 centimeter.
10 by 2. And what is L1 plus L2?
6
20 plus?
centimeter. 20 plus 6
Yes, that's
centimeter.
20 plus 6. So 10 by 2 is
5.
5 and 26. So what is the answer?
40, 12, 40, 52, 100, 4, 26, 130. Yes, ma'am.
130
Yes, ma'am.
centimeters square, right? So this is 130 centimeters square. Now the perimeter. So how many sides trapezium is having?
4.
Four sides. So which side we will not add?
Ma'am, the 10 centimeter.
This will not be added because this is inside the shape. So we will write down 16 plus 6
28,
plus 12 plus 20.
8,
So how much?
54, ma'am. 54.
54 centimeter, right?
Yes,
Wa-
yes, ma'am.
Was there any difficulty in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, it's easy, right? So now let's move on to the next question. Find the area and perimeter of following um, parallelograms. So, all right. So now tell me, what would be area?
Ma'am, 4 kilometer multiply by 8 kilometer.
That's right. Breadth into, sorry, base into
Mm.
height.
Height
So, what is the base? 8. And what
8
is the
and
height? 4.
4.
So
82.
the answer, huh?
32
32. That's right. 32. 32
centimeter.
kilometers
Centimeters square.
square.
Kilometer, yes.
Kilometer.
Kilometer square.
Kilometers square. What will be the perimeter now?
Ma'am, 6.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 6 kilometer.
6.
Yes, ma'am, it's written 6.
Like, how can we find? We need to add all the four sides. If this is 8 kilometer, this will also be
Yes, ma'am, 8 kilometer.
8 kilometer because parallelogram is, you can say, tilted form of a rectangle. If this is
Yes,
6 kilometer, this is also
6 kilometer.
6 kilometers. So now we need to add all the four sides. So 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8.
28.
28. 28 kilometers. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now this next question. What is
Ma'am,
base and height?
base is 2 centimeter and height is
Hmm.
9 centimeter.
Very good. So base and height. For the base and height, you need to look for this 90-degree angle,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So it is
Yes, ma'am.
18 centimeter square. So now what is the
Correct.
perimeter? If this is 12
Ma'am,
centimeter, this is
meter,
also,
and if that
and
is
if this is 2, so this is
the
also,
2,
right? So what is the
20,
perimeter?
28
12
centimeter.
plus
12
2
plus 2 plus
plus
12,
12 plus 2. So you are right,
28
28
centimeter.
centimeter, right? So now the next one. Again a parallelogram. So you need to look for the 90-degree
Degree angle.
angle. So now this is interesting. What is the base
NAMS 177 kilometer.
and what is the height?
188, 168 kilometer.
168 kilometer. Achha, now in this particular question, you need to remember that this dotted side is not included. इस ये जो particular example है इसमें the height is outside the shape, right? इसमें तो height was inside the shape ना. This is height
Yes, ma'am.
is outside the shape. तो ये dotted line जो है ये base में include नहीं होगी. Base will be only 177 kilometer. So now the parameter would be, so
No.
we can do the multiplication. Can you do it on your own later on or should I do it?
Ma'am, I
Can
can do
you
it
do
on my
this?
own.
All right. So then what is the perimeter?
Ma'am, so if 188 kilometer
Hmm.
plus 177 kilometer
That's right.
plus 188 again,
That's right. And that's right. So what would be the sum? 188 and 177. This is 365. Zainab, are you there, bete? I cannot hear your voice. Can you hear my voice, Zainab? Oh, so Zainab, can you see the screen?
yes ma'am.
Okay. So 365 is the sum of these two numbers. So then the total would be
uh, 730.
730. So
Yes ma'am.
unit will be kilometer, 730 kilometer, right?
Kilometer.
So now
Yes
this last part, what would be area?
ma'am, 421 centimeter
Hmm.
multiply 300 centimeter.
Very good. So base multiply by height. And now what
Yes,
will be the perimeter?
450 centimeter
Hmm.
plus 421 centimeter
That's right.
plus 421 centimeter
Hmm.
plus 450. 900.
Yeah, that's right. So we will not
200.
add this 300 because this 300 is inside the shape, right? So this would be 871
70.
plus
Yes ma'am.
plus 871. So the answer would be
1742
that's right. Very good. And the unit would be centimeter,
centimeter. Yes ma'am.
right? So, so any confusion because if you know the formulas, you can easily solve these questions, right?
Yes ma'am.
So now in this question, they are saying find the area of the trapezium. So we can solve this question in two different ways, using two ways. First of all, we can, either we can solve the area of this parallelogram and then we can find out the area of this triangle because we have enough information, right? Or we can directly find the area of trapezium. What should we do?
Ma'am, I directly find the area of the
That's right,
trapezium.
directly find. So if I'm finding this directly, can you tell me what is the length of two parallel sides? What will be the length of CD?
12 centimeter.
So this is the L1, right? So
Yes ma'am.
what will be L2? What is the length of this baseline?
Ma'am, AE is
Like in this question, then we need to understand this hole is the base, right? This hole,
so
right?
36 centimeter.
Because this is the trapezium. Now, can you see? This
Yes
is
ma'am.
the trapezium. So then it would be
36 centimeter.
36 centimeter. 36 1 centimeter तो नहीं है. ठीक है. So 3600 तो यहाँ तक है ना बेटे. हमने तो
No,
पूरा ट्रेपीजियम लेना है ना. Let me
yes
just
ma'am.
highlight it for you. I thought you have understood. Like this, if this is one parallel side CD, can you see? So
Yes ma'am.
then this is the other parallel side.
Ma'am, yes.
So then what will be L2?
36 centimeter.
Why 36? 36.
So
Oh, they have
30.
already added it for you, I think. So this is 12 and this is 24, something like that.
No, ma'am, 12 centimeter is the height of A. No, sorry, the length of AE and AB is 36 centimeter.
All right. So this is 36 centimeter. Okay. And this 24 is what then?
Ma'am,
This is
it's the
this
height.
height. All right. The height is equal to 24 centimeter. So now we can simply apply the formula. What is the formula for area of trapezium?
Height divided by 2.
That's right. And
Multiply the sum of parallel sides.
sum of parallel side, yani L1 plus L2.
L2.
Right. So height is 24
Height is 24 centimeter.
divided
Divided
by
by
2
2 and
into
12 centimeter
mhm, plus.
plus 36 centimeter.
Very good. So this we can cancel. 24 by 2 is 12.
12
And what is the sum?
into 48.
30, sorry,
6,
48.
48, ma'am.
48. So now you need to multiply 12 with 48. So what will be the answer?
16, 2 4s are 8, 9, 1, 8, 4, 480.
No. Acha, what I
44.
was doing, this is a technique to solve this. Like instead of multiplying 12 with 48, so multiply 48 with 10.
Yes,
Oh, sorry.
480.
So multiply 48 with 10 and then multiply 48 with 2.
Ma'am, you've
Right?
written.
48 multiplied by 10 is equal
Yes,
to this. And then
480.
48 multiplied by 2 is equal to 96.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can just add them. So it would be 6,
7,
500
1,
and
576.
576. Area है
Yes.
तो unit would be centimeter square. So any confusion up till this point?
No, ma'am.
No. So then we can do the next question. So the next question is Tania wants to buy soil for her garden. One bag of soil covers 12 square feet. How many bags she need? So what to do?
Ma'am, we have to find the perimeter.
Parameter. So why parameter? She wants
Mm,
soil for her garden. So where would this soil go? Will it be on the outer side or will it be inside the
inner. Inner.
inside ना ठीक है
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
होता ना क्वेश्चन कि Tania wants to put a fence around her garden. So फिर हम क्या लेते? फिर हम पैरामीटर लेते ना,
Perimeter.
right?
Yes.
लेकिन अभी the soil will go inside this whole garden. So it is, और also यहाँ से आपको पता चल रहा है it's square feet. Square feet is
Yes.
unit of
Uh,
area. ठीक है? So they are talking about area. So first of all, we need to find the area of this garden, and then we
yes,
will
ma'am.
divide it with 12. Okay, because one bag covers
Oh,
12 square feet, right? And we will know how many bags we need. So, but
yeah.
this is not a simple shape. What kind of shape is this?
Ma'am, I, f- I forgot the name.
Composite shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Composite
Composites.
shape. Composite
Yes.
shapes are when there are two or more shapes joined together in one
Yes.
and making a shape. So can you tell me, okay, what are the two shapes connected here?
Ma'am, two
So
rectangles.
two rectangles. So we need to find out area of this rectangle. Let me,
Yes,
area
ma'am.
of rectangle, let's say rectangle 1, and then we will
And
find out
rectangle
area of rectangle
two.
2, right? So for area of rectangle 1, I know this side is 15 and this is 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But what about area of rectangle 2? I know this side is 24, but what is height? What is the length, breadth, जो भी आप कहें? This
Ma'am,
total
it's
is
eight.
18.
Yes. So we'll minus it from 9.
That's right. So it will be 18 minus 9,
9. Yes.
right?
So it
So
will be
it is
9.
9
9.
feet. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
now we are ready. So what would be area of R1?
15 feet multiplied by 9.
15 multiplied by 9. So 1
115. No,
huh?
135.
15, 35 feet
Yes,
square,
ma'am.
right? So now
Yes, ma'am.
what is area of rectangle 2?
Ma'am, 24 multiplied by 9.
That's right. So
200, 24, no, 216.
216 feet square. So what is the total area of garden?
340, no, 51. 351.
351 feet square, right? So
Yes,
now we
divided
know that
by
total area. So now how we are going to write down? We will write down
uh,
because
351 divided by 12.
so bags required. Okay, because they are saying how many bags you need. So bags required. Yeah, bag
Yes,
needed, right? So you will
yes.
divide 351 by 12.
12.
So remember the divisibility rule of 12.
Mm, 50, 17.5. No,
Nee,
not 7.
remember the divisibility rule of 12. Number
Ma'am,
should
we
be
had
divisible by 3 and 4
3 and
both.
4. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's quickly check. Is this number divisible by 3? So 3 plus
Yes,
5 is 8 plus 1 is
8
9.
plus
Yes, it is
1.
divisible by 3. What about divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits, the number formed by last two digits. So, but it's not divisible by 4. So it means it is not divisible by 12. We can
Yes,
simplify it. 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are 3. Ones are 3 and फिर ये क्या होगा? 3 7. ठीक है? So
yes,
now we cannot do anything else. So we will just divide it. 117 divided by
by
4.
4.
So
2, 8,
8,
36.
3, 9, 36 और 10 हो जाएगा तो 4, 29.2. So
2,
29.2.
2
So but the
bags.
bag should not be in decimal. So what should we do? If you need 29, if she needs 29.2 bags, so actually how many bags she need to buy?
Ma'am, 30 bags.
That's right. So she needs to buy 30
30 bags.
bags. Very good. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So she need to buy 30 bags of soil to cover the
Her
garden completely, right? So are you able to understand the question, Bete? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So next question is because they are these questions are linked with the last learning objective, which was the word problems related to the shapes and area and perimeter. So question number 5 is what could be the length and height of a triangle? What could the length and height of the triangle be? How many
Mm,
integer possibilities can you find? Area is 54.
yes, ma'am.
So how many possibilities are there?
Of length and height.
Hmm.
First, one, two, one. Ma'am, two.
We know
First,
that area is equal to half into
half
B
into
H.
E into H.
तो अब देखें आपने इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज कर लेना. Area is 54. If I
Yes,
take
ma'am.
this 2 here, so it is 54 multiplied by 2 BH, right? So इसका मतलब है
Yes.
कि what is double of 54? 108.
108. Yes, ma'am.
So it means so any two numbers जिनको हम multiply करें और उनका आंसर 108 आए, so ये दोनों क्या होंगे? All the possibilities, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we multiply base with height and we get 108, so that they are all
So,
the possible values. So we'll start with 1. So let's take base 1. What would be height?
108.
108. Okay, so the first pair would be 1 and 108. It is just like we are
Yes,
finding factors, right? We are finding factor
yes, ma'am.
pairs. बिल्कुल उसी
Yes,
तरह.
ma'am.
So if the base is 2, then height would be
54.
54. Very good. So now if the base is 3, then what would be height? 30,
28.
36. 36
Yeah.
ना. ठीक है. तो क्योंकि डिवाइड करें 108 को 3 से तो 36 आता. So now if the base is 4, then
20. 27.
बिल्कुल सही 27. So 5 cannot be the base because 5 का कोई multiple नहीं है. So 6, बेटा
Yes,
बात
ma'am.
6 2 और 3 से divisible है ना. तो 6 से भी divisible है. 6 से
60. So 108, 100.
48. 6 8 6 8 are 48.
Yes,
6
ma'am.
and 18, right? So this is also a possible pair. So now what? 7 से I think divisible नहीं है ना? So now 8 से तो divisible है. 8 और क्या होगा? 8 ones are 8.
Mhm.
28. So
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होगा?
818, ma'am, 160.
28 कब आता है 8 के टेबल में? नहीं आता.
28 नहीं आता.
हाँ नहीं होता तो 8 से नहीं है divisible. So then what about 9? 9 से divisible है ना? Because sum is 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So
18.
ये वो सारे possible pairs हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you getting this question कि how we have figured out कि what do we need to do? Any
Yes, ma'am.
question बेटे?
No, ma'am.
All right. So now all the word problems are a bit difficult, than the normal questions. So now
Yes.
this question. Question is calculate the area of the shaded triangle. Majid says I got an answer of 72 centimeters square, right? And
Okay.
then do you agree with Majid? If not, can you spot the mistake? So what do you think? How can we find out area of this shaded triangle? What is the height,
Ma'am, height will be 6 centimeter,
right?
and to
And
find the
base,
base, you'll divide 24 by 3.
very good. So
So
24 by 3 is
is
8.
8. Yes, ma'am, 8.
So
And now
now
we can 8. Uh, so we'll do shaded area. We'll find 6 centimeter. Divide 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
No, ma'am. Like we have to
Oh,
say, no,
yes, yes, yes. So shaded
divided.
area is 1 by 2 BH.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Because
it's
it's
like 1 by 2 into 8 into 6.
6.
6 8s are 48 and half of 48 is 24.
24. So you'll get
Yeah,
24.
this is the correct area. So what he's doing wrong because we need to find out the mistake
And
also how he's getting 72.
he multiplied 6 to 24, I think so.
So and matlab he put the value of base as 24 maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
So half BH
But,
में he is using wrong
yes,
value of B. He's putting 24 here. I think
instead of
so.
8. Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
So,
So
yes.
24 threes are so 24 into 3 is 72, right? So this
Yes.
is the mistake he's doing. So what you will say,
Yes.
do you agree with Majid?
No, ma'am.
No, we don't agree. So if not, what is the mistake? So the mistake is he's taking the
The wrong.
base of the triangle
Yes, I mean,
wrong.
24.
So he's taking the wrong base of the triangle.
Yes.
So, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.